Wilson's and Clyde Coal Limited v. English 1938. In this case, D's employee was working on a repair to an airway. He was trapped by machinery and it crushed him to death. Employers claimed that it was the employee's own negligence that had resulted in his death. D's had delegated the organization of a safe working system to one of their employees on the site. The whole decided that the employer had a duty of care to ensure a safe system of work, and this duty could not be delegated to another employee. Therefore, D's were held to be vicariously liable. The duty of care was argued to include three aspects: 1. Provide proper materials. 2. Employing competent workers. 3. Provide valuable supervision.